Hi, welcome to the Canon Academy Homeschool, and I believe this is part 8 of my homeschool area and how I use it in teaching the littles that I teach right now, and they are ages 3.5 and 5. We're going to start with this Candyland game. This is a retro series by Hasbro, and not only do they learn it's for ages 3 and up. Not only do they learn how to play a game and win and lose with good sportsmanship, but they also learn colors and things like that as they're going. They learn that there are things that will help them move forward in the game, things that will move them backwards. They don't have to be able to read to do this. They just do what's on the card. There are some places in the game where you might have to tell them that it means that if they hit that spot, they can follow the arrows and move up and stuff. And like here. It's a fun way to learn. We had a blast doing it one day. Now I want to get into spelling and different ways you can teach spelling. Not only can you use your at families and things like that, which I cut mine out in the shape of a house from construction paper and stuff and write, like I had at, and at was at the top in the roof section, and then I wrote the other words, bat, cat, hat, and things like that on the house, and I underlined the AT, so they would know that this is how it relates to the at family, and they all rhyme. That's the simplest way. Then I have a game of Boggle Jr. And I believe I bought this at Once Upon a Child. Oh no, this is a Goodwill. I found this at Goodwill for $1.99. Really good buy. It's for ages 3 to 6. Now, we don't actually play it the way you're supposed to. What we do is we will take a word card and stick it in there. Okay. Well, normally I could stick it in there. It says, we would discuss what's in the picture. In this case, it's milk. We would talk about the letters in the word milk, M-I-L-K. We will sound it out, M-L-K, milk. Then we will take our cubes, and they have letters on all sides, and we will find the ones that have the letters that we need. Okay, this one has a letter I, so I can go there. They do underline it so you know this is a W and not an M. Here's a K, so we can put that one in. Okay, I'm trying to find the ones that have these fairly quickly. No letter that I need. Nope. And I did find out a while back that I do have a cube missing, and it might be the one that has the letter M on it. I'm not even finding the letter L at this point in time. Okay, so in this case I would have to cheat. Here's the L. Get another one that has an I. Sorry for the confusion here. Nope, I have one that's missing. But anyway, you get the point. You put all the letters here, and they can learn it. So now I'm going to have to go back through and find out what happened to my other thing. It does come with instructions on how to use it, how to play the actual game. I'm sure I could get more dice somewhere if need be. So moving on with spelling. There is a spelling magic game, also put out by Learning Journey. It says for ages 4 and up. And as you can see on the box, I'm not going to get the pieces out. It's like matching puzzle pieces. And when they put this one together, C-O-W, it's going to make the picture of a cow. And this one, C-A-K-E, when put together will make a cake. There are 20 of these. And I would suggest that when you do put these together, that you sound out the words. For instance, on this one, here's bug, B-U-G. I would go bu-ug, bug, and put the piece together. I found this one at Once Upon a Child for $3.50. So it doesn't have to cost you a whole lot. Now here's another way to teach the smaller children. It's called Write, Slide, and Learn Spelling Book. It says for ages 5 and up, and you'll see why in just a couple of minutes. It's actually put out by Hinkler Books. And I bought it at Borders, apparently, for $5.98. It was probably a used bookstore that used to be in the area. Now, as you can see, it has pictures and letters. And there's a place where that's a wipe off that the children can put their letters on. And then they can slide it out and see what it was supposed to be and see if they're right. So it's a self-correcting book. Same thing here. It goes into vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. And for the older children, it actually gives the answers down here at the bottom upside down. Here's vowels plus Y, consonants, more consonants, beginning letters, where they have to fill in the letters, beginning letters, and they have things that they can do like finishing the face, helping the car get home by tracing the path, circle what the monkey eats, ending letters. So in the first picture, run, and so I would say in, and here's the word and here's the letter, so they can check for themselves. More ending letters, double letters, and like for instance, they tell you apple, can you write apple, and you copy the letters that are missing and trace the letters that the double P's that are there, and shell, and teddy, and moon. Plurals, one shoe, and then you trace the word, 2 shoes, and you add an S, and so forth. Animal words, and again, on some of these pages, they can check what letter's missing that they should have put in and see the word in its entirety. Food words. At home words. Body words. Clothes. Here are words that have silent letters. So these words will start with K, W, or GH, or they might be in the middle of the words, but they're silent letters. So for instance, knee would have a K, two would have the W. Make sure I'm right, pull it out. Here are the letters I should have used. Here's what the words should look like. More silent letters. Then they have a revision page, things where you might write a C under the words that start with a consonant, and a V under the ones that start with a vowel. Or find the missing letters. How do they begin? And then you finished your book. Now, I also have bought different textbook spelling books from eBay over the years, and I use them off and on, along with spelling pages from different workbooks. I do like the spelling textbooks because as the children get older, say probably 4th grade and up, they learn to write sentences and look up the meaning of the words in the dictionary, so they get dictionary skills. They learn how to use them in a sentence and things like that. The workbook pages, pretty much it's fill in the blank with the missing word or something like that, or draw a line to the picture that means the same as the word, things like that. So again, I hope that if you thought this video was helpful, that you hit like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time on the Canon Academy Homeschool. Thank you. Have a good day.